Hey everyone, it's Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful spring day. I'm out here in Concord, North Carolina. I'm on a roof, as you can tell. We had a little bit of a hailstorm on March 27th. So some guy came along and was knocking on doors in the neighborhood, told these folks they had hail damage. And let me show you what he thinks is hail damage. If my video can pick this up, he's calling these little tiny marks, these black marks right here, hail damage. This is not hail damage. This is what you call blistering. Blistering happens when you don't have enough ventilation in the attic. So you can also tell there is no ridge vent here, right? So ridge vent, the reason for the ridge vent is as hot air rises in the attic, it can release at the top and it ventilates the roof. So what we're looking at here is just blistering. It's not hail damage, it's blistering. And if this lady were to follow the advice of this storm chaser, this guy running around in his truck, knocking on doors, an adjuster would have come out and the adjuster would have denied the claim. What happens here is this affects the customer's policy, insurance policy. Oftentimes your deductible will go up, your premium will go up, and sometimes they'll just drop you. If you're filing unwarranted claims, particularly in the roofing category, which is such a large expenditure, that is not healthy for your insurance policy. So these guys, these storm chasers, they're all over the place in Harrisburg and Davidson right now. They travel. They're not. Most of them aren't local. So if you get these guys that are going around knocking on your door, telling you have storm damage, call your insurance agent. See if they've got a referral. Get on Google. Make sure the company's listed on Google. Make sure they've got 5-star reviews. Make sure they've got an A+ with the Charlotte Better Business Bureau. Make sure they are local to your town, because this is what we have to compete with these guys. They get up, and that's their MO. They show up, they storm chase, they knock on doors, and they'll tell these people anything in order to get the adjuster to come out to meet them. And they don't care about the customer's insurance policy. All they care about is getting the business of a customer who doesn't really know what's going on the roof. And a lot of times either they don't know what they're doing or they just lie to customers, and it's a shot in the dark to get the adjuster out. I'm Brandon Johnson. We are Southern Star Roofing. This house is free of any hail damage. I'm gonna come downstairs, come off my ladder, tell this customer, hey, you know what? Your roof is in still good condition. You probably still have another 5 years on there, so give us a call then. Thanks for taking a listen. Brandon Johnson, Southern Star Roofing, out of Charlotte, North Carolina, Greenville, South Carolina, and Asheville, North Carolina. We are so happy to serve you guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.